来，给他玩一下，这么啥？来，再瘪下去了，这个操作。
Hi Zoran, this is your hydraulic press brake. It is
记
ready.
得不记得了呀？
The segment mold will be mounted in 1 day or 2.
看看没？对，出来点棍子的嘛。
This is the back edge feeder to position the steel. This is the main motor. This is the oil valve. This is the oil tank. This is the electric box where we connect the wires. This is the protector from hand, working safety reasons. This is the stopper. This is the Aston 21 controller. This is the sheet mat holder. 80 ton. This is the manual station. X is the back edge position. Y is the pressure adjustment for different thickness and the metal sheet. This is adding, this is minus.
上下切换啊。
Yeah. Yeah, you can adjust the X and Y. This is the back edge positioning. One more. We adjusted the Y aisles to make a bigger angle, like 100 and 120 degree. This is the 90-degree rectangular angle, and we're trying a 120-degree angle by adjusting the Y position. Okay. Now we shifted to the automatic mode. This is the manual, and we are changing to automatic.
I got.
Perfect angles, 90-degree and 120-degree. Okay. 这个语言能调英语吗？
能调的。
啊。Now we shifted the language. Chinese and English. We set it to English. 把它调成英语了。Okay, then all languages are in English now. Hi, Mr. Zoran. After testing your 80Tx2500 press brake, now we are shifting the testing for your hydraulic guillotine. MD11-1 system. The blade. The valve, the main motor. This is the back gauge. This is the back gauge. Back gauge. This is the back gauge motor to control the back gauge distance. I mean positioning the might steel you are sharing. And this is the oil tank. This is a huge oil tank. You have to fill almost around 300-liter oil, for number 46 oil into this tank. And the hydraulic press brake, it needs around 200-liter oil, number 46 oil, 200-liter. So they add up to almost 500-liter. So if you receive the machines and want to start the machines, you have to buy from the market the number 46 oil around minimum 600-liter, or better 800-liter oil.
이래 那连着。No， 现在小米啊，米的呢。
This is continuous shearing. This is one-time shearing. Oil pump, emergency stop, power on, power on. For the different thickness of metal sheet, you have to adjust here. Okay, this wheel is for different thickness. This is the gap of the shearing blades, upper blades and down blades. This is making the gap bigger, and this is making the gap smaller. When you are shearing the thick metal, you make the gap bigger. When you are shearing the small, thinner sheet, you make the gap smaller. Okay? This is a very simple guillotine.拿个板子。OK。可以。OK, we'll come to the back and see. OK. Hi Zoran, this is your spiral tubeformer, which is ready. Here are the molds, from the smaller ones to big ones. The molds are ready also. This is a hydraulic gorelocker, hydraulic elbow making machine. 2 hydraulic stations. There is a hydraulic station for the seaming station, for the seaming. Automatic control. And this is the forming station. The forming station of female lock and a male lock of elbow locks. This is the air valve to connect to the air, to connect to the air. And this is your slit coil line. That is the decoiler. This one, we see this first. This is slitting rollers. Slitting the sheet from 1.3 meter to 173 millimeter for spiral making. This machine is also yours. This is what we call between the slit rollers and the recoilers, because after the sheet passed the slitting rollers, it will become loose and it cannot directly be connected to the recoilers. It has to pass this machine. The sheets pass these machines, and this is made of silicon. It gives strength for the sheet, to crush the sheet, make it tight, and then the decollers here, the recollers here, will pull over the coals, 173 coals, onto the recollers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is the wasted coal. This is a heavy-duty recoiler, hydraulic-driven, automatic control. This is controlling the speed of the coal. Hi Zoran, after checking with the spiral tubeformer, hydraulic locker, slit cutting line, and here's your plasma cutting machines. They're in stock. High speed and separate tables.